Ever tried cooking salmon in an air fryer? If you haven't, you should definitely try it. Let me show you this delicious air fried salmon recipe. Get a bowl. We have a beautiful piece of salmon in the bowl. Sprinkle on a little bit of salt, red pepper flakes, some soy sauce, rice vinegar, just a little bit of honey. I'm gonna use some of this umami mushroom seasoning. Garlic, we know her, we love her. We're gonna grate in as many cloves as her soul tells us. The garlic limit does not exist. At least here it doesn't. Just grate it right on in. The ginger is gonna add a really great refreshing flavor. Massage your salmon a little bit. Just hang out for a few minutes to absorb all those flavors. And that's gonna be a no. While this is marinating, we're gonna clean as we go because less mess is less stress. Don't need to go sit down. We're gonna clean. I'm watching you. You guys compare this with any type of vegetable you'd like. I'm actually gonna do rice and broccoli. Our salmon has marinated and we're gonna go throw this in the cooking creature on 390 for 8 to 12 minutes. 12 if you like your salmon a little on the crispy side, like me. If anybody says they don't like salmon well done, it's not yours. It's personal preference. I'm sure you like your steak well done. I'm just kidding. So fun fact, I wear glasses. I've worn glasses since like the 2nd grade. Whenever I'm like filming, I can't see. And someone that I follow said if you tilt your head a certain way, like you can't see the ring light. Doesn't work for me. If anybody likes these, I got them from iBuy Direct. I'm pretty sure the style is Days. It smells so good. Look at that salmon. Broccoli, a little more honey drizzle, toasted sesame seeds, delicious. We're gonna taste test. It's so good. Flaky, it pulls right apart. It is delicious. I could eat this like every day of the week.